Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where today we're going to prepare a mouth-watering dish that will leave you craving for more. Join me as we delve into the art of cooking a delightful beef cubes in gravy sauce. To start, we need a trusty cast iron skillet. I place it on medium-low heat, allowing it to warm up gradually. Once it's hot enough, we drizzle some oil into the skillet. Now it's time to introduce our star ingredient, succulent beef cubes. Carefully placing them into the skillet, we let them sear and brown to perfection. This step is crucial, as it adds incredible flavor to our dish. Once the beef is browned, we remove it from the skillet and set it aside momentarily. Now let's prepare our aromatics. Grab some fresh onions and skillfully julienne-dice them, then add them to the same skillet and sauté them until beautifully caramelized. To take this dish to the next level, I create a small well in the middle of the skillet and add a fragrant combination of minced garlic and ginger. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Let them release their enticing aroma, then mix everything together. To further enhance the flavors, I introduce a handful of freshly diced mushrooms to the mix. These mushrooms will infuse our dish with their unique earthy taste, making every bite truly delightful. Now it's time to reunite our beef with the flavorful medley in the skillet. To season our masterpiece, we sprinkle salt and black pepper. With a gentle stir, we ensure that the beef, onions, garlic, ginger, and mushrooms are all beautifully combined, ready to marry their flavors together. Then, we pour in a luscious amount of beef broth and add a touch of dark soy sauce, infusing our dish with savory goodness. Finally, a couple of aromatic bay leaves are added for an extra layer of flavor. Now it's time to let our creation simmer and develop its depth of flavor. We cover the skillet and allow the ingredients to slowly work their magic over medium-low heat. During the 2-hour cooking process, we occasionally give our dish a gentle stir. Now it's time to unveil our masterpiece. Remove the bay leaves, then to give our sauce a delightful consistency, we create a slurry using corn starch and water. This mixture is added to the skillet, creating a velvety texture that coats our beef, turning it into pure culinary perfection. And there you have it, a tantalizing beef stir-fry that is bound to impress even the most discerning palate. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, with tender beef, caramelized onions, earthy mushrooms, and aromatic spices dancing on your taste buds. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a mouth-watering creation from Heaven's Kitchen. And always remember, good food brings good mood.